Hey guys, what is up? Today I'm going to be playing Horse Riding Tales, and I don't know what I'm really going to be doing. I'm just going to be playing and introducing you to my horse, Firefly. Now, she is a blue fantasy, and I really like her. She's really pretty. She's been with me for a long time now. And how about we start it off with a Silver Cup cross-country race just to get her blood pumping and her, it's just a realistic role play, and I love her though. She's honestly, I love this horse so much. And so comment down below what horses you guys have in Horse Riding Tales. I also pretty much like the bay or the skewbald. I also like the piebald. They're all really cute, and it's really cute. And so we're just going through the course. It's getting more crazy as I level up, just saying. My horse is just probably like, what is going on? Why? Ooh, this is horrible. Okay, anyway. I'm trying my best. Okay, let's see. Well, I have a new record, and yeah. Wow, you get a lot of good rewards from this. Let me see. Rewards. Leaderboard. Oh, great. Okay, well, I want to see who's leaderboard in the Silver Cup. Somebody's gotten 33 seconds, so let's try this again. Let's try and get a better time. Let's go. Come on, girl. Faster. She is a very great horse, and I love her. Although somebody who's gotten number 1 in this might have had a flying horse and might have just flew through the whole course. Who knows? I don't even know if you can do that, but it's unbelievable the times that I see people getting. I've already gotten to, no. Oh, hey, I got a new record, though. Let's see the leaderboard now. I don't know if I moved up or not, whatever. I'm just checking the chat. Just because I'm like that. Anyway, that was my cross-country race. Those were my cross-country races. If you want to see more of this role play, then just comment down below and subscribe to my channel. And give me a like if you like Firefly. I think I really like her a lot. And just comment down below any suggestions for this game. I'll see you guys later. Bye!